What's up there? In this video we're going to create a bar of social media looking like this with this one beautiful transformation. So guys, let's get started in the creating this work. Okay, you can see on my desktop here I have a folder, and inside this folder I have my images folder, which I have all of the social media icons here. Also I have my HTML file and this is CSS file. I also include them all in one folder. So I have already opened this HTML file and the CSS in the code editor. So let's go to our code editor. Now you can see this is the HTML and this is the CSS. I'm going to start with the basics of the HTML. So these are the default. Okay, let's change the title. Let's say it is social media. Okay, now I'm going to link my CSS file. So for that I'm going to say link. Okay, it is media, so let's say media.css. okay, after that I'm going to start writing my HTML code. So for the task we're going to perform, so it is simple. So let's say we're going to have a container. So the outer container, and the inside our container we are going to put all the social media icons, but the social media also should be inside the box. So the box that will contain the social media inside it, so let's call it a bar. So let's select bar, and inside this bar is where I'm going to put all my social media. So there are 1 2 3 4 6, so there are 6 icons. So because the icons I have in form of image, so I'm going to say image, the img tag or something. So that's also will be images slash, let's say it's Facebook. Okay, let's find this one. Let's copy and I duplicate it 5 more times. Okay, now let's change this one to Instagram. Okay, let's just also change this one to link. Let's change this one, let's say to use, and as well we need to change this. This one will be, let's say it is Twitter, and the last one will be WhatsApp. Okay, my HTML code is all over done. So let's shift to our CSS file. Okay, I'm going to start with the basics of the CSS. Let's say it is, I'm going to give a margin and a padding 0. So margin 0, also I'm going to set padding to 0, padding 0. But after that I'm going to set the box sizing. So let's say box sizing in the border box. Let's declare the font family. I think it is not going to apply to our, because there is no font here, so our font family, but for the sake of understanding, let's ourselves. Okay, now I'm going to target my container class. So for that I'm going to set this container. Okay, for my container class I'm going to set the width to 100%. After that I'm going to give it a height, which is a full screen. Okay, now I'm going to set the display flex. I'm going to align item center. Also I'm going to justify content center. So, and I'm going to give a background color. So our background color will be this one. Okay, this three lines of code is going to place everything inside the container at the center. So this is what I'm declare flexi to display result, but these other two lines, it is going to make these items, whichever items is going inside to be inside the container, to be at the center. So now let's focus our bar class. Here is the bar class, which include all the social media icons. So for that I'm going to set that bar. Okay, and for bar we are going to give it a maximum width. Let's say it is this 1 pixel. Also we're going to give it a background color, so let's say the background color is crimson. Okay, now we're going to display flex because we want the social media to appear horizontal, so display flex we are going to align variable center. So for that we're going to leave space between the social media icons. For that we're going to say justify content, which will be space between. Okay, now I'm going to set a padding, so the padding will be 15 pixels for top and bottom, and there will be 30 pixels for left and right. So I'm going to set the border radius. Okay, border radius will be 30 pixels. Okay, after that I'm going to styling the images inside the bar class. So for that I'm going to say that I'm going to, let's say it is this bar, then img tag, because of the image we're going is going to be of the same size. So we are going to declare a single code for to be applied for all of the images, and that we are going to declare the width of each image will be 50 pixels. Also we are going to declare the height for the image will be 550 pixels. Also we are going to say the margin from the left of each icon will be 10 pixels to leave the space between them. So after that, let me save these changes. If I come here, let's come here and then open this. Now you can see, but this it is not this one. Okay, if you see the beautiful hover effect here, so we are going to add this hover effect in this one. So to do that, let's come back to our code editor, and let's say the bar image img tag. Then we are going to say when someone is hovering the image, okay, do this one. What to do? Just transform. You have to transform. Then translate to y. We are going to translate in the y direction 10 pixels. If I'm going to save these changes and I come back, will refresh this page. Now if I hover the mouse on the icons, you can see a beautiful hover effect. So this is all about this video, guys. If you have any comment, you can leave in the comment section down below. Consider subscribing, guys, so we can meet another time. So thank you.